Today I'm going to discuss a very important topic that is about career in project management. My name is Amit Kumar. I'm working in engineering and construction industry for last 20 years. I'm practicing project management for last 10 years. I'm passionate about project management. What is project? Project is an assignment with defined goal and scope. Project will have a fixed duration. Project works on a budgeted cost. Setting up any kind of factory, construction of house, software development project for income tax department are some of the example of project where they are expected to complete the assignment within particular timeline as well as within allocated cost. What is project management? Project management is about integrating the project. There are many stakeholders involved in the job, external as well as internal. Many functions are involved in the project. So project management deals about integrating all the stakeholders of the project. Project management also deals with planning, monitoring, and controlling the project. Project management has to also set the direction in the project, because if the direction is not set properly, the objective of the project cannot be met. Finally, project management function deals about closing and handing over the project also. Who is project manager? Project manager is someone who is responsible and accountable for delivery of the project. Project manager is also supposed to integrate all the stakeholders in the project. Project manager has to communicate on continuous basis with all the stakeholders, with all the team members, with clients, with consultants, and all the stakeholders who can directly or indirectly impact the outcome of the project. Project manager has to also set the direction, and on continuous basis they have to do the course correction also in case of any kind of deviation. Project manager is also expected to control time and cost in project. Risk management is most important function of project manager. Project manager should be capable to anticipate the risk in advance, and risk mitigation plan has to be devised so that project should not be derailed because of any major or minor risk. Project manager is a person who is capable to make or break the project. Where are the requirement of project manager? Project manager is required in private as well as public sector units, as they take up many kind of projects. There are many infrastructure projects under pipeline in our country, and India is going to witness a good GDP growth in coming years. So many infrastructure projects will be coming in the future. So there will be huge requirement of project manager for executing such large infrastructure projects. Government is spending huge amount on capital expenditure projects. So they will be also looking for the right project manager. IT industry deploy many project manager for executing project onshore as well as offshore. In all the non-IT industry also, they require project manager to execute their project. So project manager is required across all the industries. What are the skill set required for a project manager? Project manager require generic project management skill as well as specific project management skills. Now, communication skill is one of the generic project management skill, which is really very important for a project manager, as he has to communicate efficiently and effectively so that the complete team should work on the same platform. Project manager should have a good bargaining skill so that he or she should know where to make a boundary when some stakeholder is trying to do the gold plating in the project. Team building is most important function of a project manager, because if right team is built over a period of time, half project is done. Because project is created by a team of people, and if team is working in a cohesive manner and there is a team spirit, project can be executed successfully. As cost overrun is a very common phenomenon in project, so project manager must have a skill of finance and commercial so that they can control the financial aspects of the project. Project manager must be inquisitive and vigilant. Project manager should always keep an eye on the activities or any event which has potential to derail the project. As project manager is participating in all kind of meetings, they discuss on diverse subjects, they discuss with different kind of stakeholders. So he or she should be a quick learner as well as a continuous learner also. What are the specific project management skills required for a project manager? Project manager must have knowledge of the industry where they are delivering the project. Project manager must have a hands-on experience of the industry also to understand the nuances of the industry where they are executing the project. Project manager also should have understanding of product which they are going to deliver as a part of the project delivery. Project manager also should have some experience of product so that he should understand the intricacies involved in the project. Project manager must know the process flow if any process is taking more time. The project manager must intervene to accelerate the process. Project manager must be aware of statutory and regulatory requirement of industry where they are delivering the project, because every industry has its own statutory and regulatory requirements. What is the career prospect for a project manager? There is a huge shortage of project manager in industries as well as in most of the countries. So there is a huge demand of project manager across all industries, across geography. There's a bright career prospect for a project manager. They can rise to the role of CEO also. Project manager demand a competitive package also in the market, as they are the person who are accountable for delivering the project. If project meets its objective, it helps in meeting the strategic objective of the organization also. Project manager career is very challenging. Project manager has always to be on toe to handle all the upcoming challenges. What are the target position of project manager? How to target the position of project manager? If you want to become a project manager or you want to grow in the project management role, you must prove your suitability for the role of project manager. You should look for opportunities within your company. You should talk to management and you should make them realize that you have capability to deliver the project successfully. If you want to go beyond your company, you should be aware about the opportunities available in the same industry where you have experience. You must try to build up good networking in the industry where you are targeting such positions. You should also try to be a part of professional bodies like PMI, and some professional communities like LinkedIn, and you have to share knowledge also in such communities. You should also look for the longer partnership if you are aiming for such position in any company, because every employer look for the right candidate for a longer period of time. Nobody likes the job hoppers. Before making any final deal with the employer, you must discuss the transparently about the career prospects and about the benefits you are expecting from the employer. Thank you so much. I will see you again.